The topic that we have today, the Dutch and the Turkish youth. I think prejudice is something that inhibits human development.
The interest of the Netherlands to migration is not new.
Embrace equality, dignity, human dignity.
Migration is a phenomenon or social reality that embrace all of us.
Growing up among worlds, so you can kind of pick and choose or be influenced by more than one culture.
They are expected to belong to 2 or maybe even to 3 different communities that come with different identities.
How can you fill an entire book about dignity? What is there to say? This is an issue that is so important to each and every one of us, and yet we know very little about it.
I feel that as a Turkish girl living in the Netherlands, especially my look to the Turkish people living here in Turkey changed a lot.
To be honest, I had more prejudice towards Dutch Turkish than Dutch Dutch. And I think with this cooperation and with listening each other's stories, this is really broken down now.
I see that the political climate right now is dividing people and dividing groups. And I think workshops like these are great at connecting people and forming unities, and I think this is what we're going to need the coming years in the Netherlands.
For me, what was missing was the emotional side of it, and especially to the stories of others, I could really connect and I could actually feel how other people are feeling it.
Being here and listening to everybody's story and hearing more about the concept of dignity really reaffirmed my belief.
In my experience, some of the prejudice lead to rather innocent dignity violations. So that's an insight that I got.
Well, I'm a psychologist, so I want to take the dignity model into my therapeutic relations with my clients, and I think they will benefit from it really much.
I hope that I can share with my friends and family what dignity is and how, if we treat each other with dignity, how much more comfortable everyone will feel.
I will think twice the next time that if I'm in a conversation with someone.
This project actually again proves that there is no conflict. There are misunderstandings.
Learning how to do this, also with the dignity model, has really helped me, and to see that it works. If we can do this within this group, within 2 days, there's a lot of hope for us in the Netherlands.